When it comes to maintenance, I often get asked, how thoroughly should I analyze my equipment? How much detail should I go into? Well, when it comes to reliability-centered maintenance, there are two main types, classical and streamlined. As these videos are just 2 minutes long, I'm going to talk about each of them in two separate videos. When a system failure carries extreme risks, maintenance requires rigorous analysis. So rigorous reliability-centered maintenance, or more commonly known as classical RCM, thoroughly evaluates all the failure modes for optimal maintenance planning. Developed by pioneers like Nolan and Heap, Mowbray, Smith, classical RCM analyzes systems through failure modes and effects analysis, FMEA. This is an intensive approach, and it calculates the failure probabilities and tries to manage the consequences. For example, the braking system on a commercial jet, quite an important piece of equipment. So classical RCM would analyze each of the maintainable components of that system to identify potential failure modes. It then determines the optimal maintenance task to mitigate the risks. Classical RCM also produces comprehensive documentation and decision-making records on things like functions, failures, consequences, and targeted risks. While it's rigorous, it requires extensive effort and can delay the implementation if you don't break it down into small chunks. So that means classical RCM is ideal when the failure poses catastrophic safety, environmental, or economic risks, or reliability is still poor if you've done a streamlined analysis first. Maybe you have insufficient knowledge because it's a new plant, which classical RCM is ideal for. It's usually only carried out on the higher risk, higher cost, higher consequence type of equipment like aircraft, also nuclear sites, refineries, oil rigs, defense systems. When safety and reliability are crucial, classical RCM provides an in-depth analysis to optimize your maintenance. If you want to find out how streamlined RCM is different, please subscribe and you'll see when the next video comes out. Also like it if you liked it, and I look forward to seeing you for the next one. Bye for now.